You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government by and for the people. We reported last week about a federal appeals court decision in a Pennsylvania county election that could have national implications. It's now impacting the recount of the state's U.S. Senate race and could end up in the U.S. Supreme Court. The case involves 257 mail-in ballots which were properly signed and submitted on time, but were lacking a date on the affidavit form. But Pennsylvania law says those ballots must be dated, and they were thrown out by a county elections board. The ACLU of Pennsylvania filed suit on behalf of those voters, and a federal appeals court allowed the ballots to be counted, saying the lack of the date was immaterial. The ruling was only days after the Pennsylvania state primary, where the Republican race for U.S. Senate is awaiting the results of a recount started last Friday. The margin between Dr. Oz and David McCormick is only 922 votes, or 0.07%. Election officials report that the number of undated mail-in ballots is 860. Counties have until June 7th to finish the recounts and until June 8th to submit them to the state. But this may not be the end of the story. Because of the nationwide effort by Republicans to curb mail-in voting, falsely alleged to be the cause of widespread voter fraud, the case may end up in the U.S. Supreme Court. Dr. Oz and the national GOP oppose counting the undated ballots and may seek help from a higher, more friendly court. Granny D said democracy is not something we have, it's something we do. For the American Democracy Minute, I'm Brian Beal.